Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to take a deep dive into one of the most exciting tools to hit the digital marketing space this year. It is called PromoPDF AI, and it is an advanced artificial intelligence platform that allows you to create stunning, high-converting lead magnets like ebooks, checklists, guides, planners, workbooks, and so much more in just minutes. No writing skills required. No experience needed. If you have ever struggled to create professional digital products for your business, this tool is about to change everything for you. Before we get started with this full breakdown, I would really appreciate it if you could take a quick second to hit that like button, share this video with anyone you know who could benefit from it, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a review like this. Your support truly helps us keep bringing you the best tools and resources out there. Also, I will leave the direct link to PromoPDF AI down in the description below, so you can check it out for yourself and grab it while the special launch pricing is still available. So what exactly is PromoPDF AI? In simple terms, it is the world's first click-and-done artificial intelligence lead magnet creator. It is a cloud-based software platform that takes a simple keyword or topic that you type in and transforms it into a fully written and professionally formatted digital product. We are talking about complete ebooks, detailed checklists, step-by-step guides, planners, workbooks, cheat sheets, swipe files, reports, and resource lists, all generated automatically by advanced AI technology. The tool was built specifically for affiliate marketers, coaches, consultants, course creators, and digital product sellers who know they need high-quality lead magnets to grow their email lists and boost their sales, but simply do not have the time, the writing ability, or the technical know-how to create them from scratch. Normally, creating a single lead magnet would take you anywhere from 15 to 20 hours of brainstorming, researching, writing, and formatting, or you would have to pay a freelancer anywhere from $100 to $300 or more per PDF. PromoPDF AI eliminates all of that pain and puts the entire process on autopilot. You just type in your topic, and the AI handles everything else: the research, the writing, the structuring, and the final export. It is truly a game changer for anyone who wants to create professional digital products without the headache. Now let us talk about the features, because this is where PromoPDF AI really shines and separates itself from anything else on the market. First and foremost, you get instant PDF creation. You can generate professional quality lead magnets in just minutes, not hours or days. The speed alone makes this tool worth every penny because time is money, and this gives you back both. Second, there is absolutely no writing required. The AI engine researches your topic and writes every single word for you. The content is structured, actionable, and conversion optimized right out of the box. You do not need to be a copywriter or a content expert. The AI does all the heavy lifting so you can focus on growing your business. Third, you get access to 10+ high-converting asset types. This includes checklists, guides, ebooks, planners, workbooks, cheat sheets, swipe files, reports, resource lists, and more. This incredible variety means you can create different types of content for different stages of your marketing funnel and for any niche you can possibly imagine. Whether you are in health and fitness, real estate, personal finance, coaching, e-commerce, self-help, or even the most obscure sub-niche out there, PromoPDF AI has you covered. Fourth, a full commercial license is included with your purchase. This is absolutely huge. It means you own 100% of everything you create, and you can sell it as digital products, offer it as a service to clients, package it into PLR bundles, or use it as affiliate bonuses. There are zero royalties and zero restrictions. You keep every single dollar you earn. This single feature alone opens up entirely new revenue streams for your business. You could charge clients $200 to $500 per lead magnet and create each one in just a couple of minutes. Fifth, you can export your finished products as both PDF and Docs files. The PDF is ready to use immediately, while the Docs format gives you total editing flexibility if you want to tweak the content, add your own personal touches, or customize anything in Microsoft Word before sharing it with your audience or your clients. Sixth, there is a built-in monetization system that lets you seamlessly embed affiliate links and calls to action directly into your lead magnets. This means every single PDF you create is not just building your email list, it is also actively generating affiliate commissions for you on autopilot. Seventh, the dashboard is completely beginner-friendly with zero learning curve. You log in and you can start creating immediately. No tutorials, no training videos, no complicated technical setup. Everything is intuitive and straightforward from the very first moment you access the platform. Even if you have never used any kind of software tool before, you will feel right at home within seconds. And eighth, every asset you create comes out as a clean white label product with no PromoPDF AI branding on it whatsoever. This means you can put your own name, your own brand, and your own logo on everything and present it to your audience or your clients as your own premium creation. This is essential for building trust and authority in your niche. Now let me walk you through exactly how PromoPDF AI works. And honestly, this is the part that blew me away because of how ridiculously simple the entire process is. It comes down to just 3 easy steps. Step 1 is to get started by logging into your PromoPDF AI dashboard. Everything is cloud-based, so you can access it from any device with an internet connection. There is nothing to install, nothing to download, and no technical skills required. You simply log in and you are ready to go. Step 2 is the creation phase. All you do is type in a keyword or a niche topic. For example, you might type in something like intermittent fasting for beginners or social media marketing checklist. Then you select what type of asset you want to create, whether that is an ebook, a checklist, a planner, a workbook, or any of the other available formats. You click Generate, and within about 60 seconds, the AI engine researches your topic, writes all the content, structures it into logical sections, formats everything into a professional layout, and presents you with a finished product that is ready to use. The content comes out well-organized, actionable, and optimized for conversions right from the start. Step 3 is to download and profit. You export your completed asset as a PDF or Docs file and then put it to work. You can use it as a lead magnet to build your email list, sell it as a digital product on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy, offer it as a high-value bonus for your affiliate promotions, or provide it as a paid service to clients who need professional lead magnets for their businesses. The entire process from login to finished product takes less than 5 minutes, and most of that time is just you deciding what topic to create next. You could literally create an entire catalog of digital products in a single afternoon. Let us talk about pricing, and this is honestly where the deal becomes almost too good to pass up. The regular price for PromoPDF AI is $97 per month, but right now, during this special grand launch period, you can get complete access to the entire system for a one-time payment of just $17. That is not a monthly fee. That is not an annual subscription. That is a single one-time payment of $17 that gives you access to the platform. To put that into perspective, you are getting the PromoPDF AI Advanced Engine valued at $497, the AI Integrated Fast Content Writer valued at $197, Instant PDF and Docs Export valued at $97, Full Commercial Usage Rights valued at $197, the built-in monetization and CTA system valued at $197, Lifetime Premium Support Access valued at $97, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. The combined total value of everything included is well over $1,000. And you are getting all of it today for just $17. And there is absolutely zero risk involved because your purchase is protected by a full 30-day money-back guarantee. You can use PromoPDF AI for an entire month, create as many lead magnets as you want, and if for any reason you are not completely satisfied, you simply request a refund and you get your money back with no questions asked. You even get to keep everything you created during that period. It truly does not get more fair than that. But I do want to mention that this special launch pricing is strictly limited and is only guaranteed during this session. So if you are watching this right now, I would strongly encourage you to take action before the price goes back up to the regular $97 per month. That wraps up our full review of PromoPDF AI. As you can see, this is a powerful, easy-to-use, and incredibly affordable tool that can completely transform the way you create digital products and lead magnets for your business. Whether you are an affiliate marketer looking to boost your conversions with custom bonuses, a coach who needs professional resources for your clients, or a digital product creator who wants to build a catalog of sellable assets in record time, PromoPDF AI has you covered. I will leave the direct link to grab PromoPDF AI down in the description below, so you can get instant access while the special $17 launch pricing is still available. If you found this review helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment below and let me know what you think, or if you have any questions, share this video with a friend or colleague who could benefit from this amazing tool, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you are always the first to know when we drop new reviews and recommendations. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.